Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to jump straight into Chainlink Link. Right now we're at $31.12, a 2.85% increase in the last 24 hours. Continuing to see this rise, Chainlink is one of those coins that we've always believed in on this channel. Like I said before, it's probably one of my favorite coins because of the uses and really utility that comes about with Chainlink. Absolutely massive amount of integrations and partnerships every single day to look at. And if we take a look at the last week, we've seen a massive 27.63% increase. Just recently starting to move, we actually were hanging around $24 to $25 pretty much all of the beginning of the week. However, the last part of the week, we've seen about a $5 to $6 increase actually, seeing that 31.75 coming right back down to 31.12, but we are going to continue to see, like I said, a lot of volatility when it comes to the crypto space. If we jump into the last month, though, we are seeing about a 32.52% increase. Nothing too crazy there with, when we compare, obviously, to things like Cardano, Polkadot, and some of those other, VeChain and other coins in that kind of vicinity. But Solana obviously doing huge things as well. But Chainlink, I do think, is going to have its time. A lot of people talking about how it's undervalued and underhyped right now. The market cap, like I said, at $14 billion has a long way to go to actually compete for, number 2 and number 3 spot in market cap, which is great for Chainlink holders, obviously giving us a lot of chances and a lot of opportunity to, double our money, triple our money. So let's jump into Chainlink, talk about where we think it's going to go by the end of the year, end of the bull market part 2, and let's also talk about really the updates and news regarding Chainlink. So a lot of great things to talk about. First off, I will say, if you guys aren't following me on Twitter, definitely do so. Crypto Profit YT on Twitter. I try to keep you up to date with crypto-related things, obviously regarding to Chainlink, as well as so many other altcoins across the channel, just like I do on YouTube. So subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video there as well. So we jump into this first tweet. It's talking about buying Link at $15 feels like stealing. Where are you accumulating? So I tweeted this back July 16th. This is the kind of stuff I, by the way, offer on my Patreon. So I do have a Patreon down in the description below, trying to give you guys those low market cap picks, market updates, market predictions. If you guys want to do, get any more, really support in the crypto space, that's going to be where to do it. But, buying $15 Link, if you guys did that and followed kind of my tweet there, you are going to be seeing over a 2x since that. So we are seeing a great opportunity to, continue to take advantage of those dips when they do come out and play out. So 31.12 right now is our current price on Chainlink with a 32.52% increase. If we actually take a look at a couple different tweets, we're going to see all of the integrations that are continuing to take place every single day with Chainlink. AMM Protocol, DFIN, has integrated Chainlink price feeds on Polygon mainnet for on-chain access to really secure high-frequency price updates. If we jump a little farther, we have Bored Ape Yacht Club, integrated Chainlink VRF to distribute verifiably random NFTs in its platform NFT airdrop. So if we jump into the next one, we have more obviously regarding Chainlink. So congratulations to all the winners of the recent Layer 2 hackathon sponsored by Chainlink and iOS In the next tweet, obviously, we continue on. We have that hackathon that we just talked about. If you have an early stage idea, they just are trying to get more basically projects onto this ecosystem of what Chainlink can offer. And, you can see it here with the Polygon Grants Hackathon sponsored in part by Chainlink to receive support from experienced teams and devs and potentially win a portion of 100K prize pool. I will say the crypto space is one of the most giving spaces right now when it comes to developers and their new projects, and that's definitely a good thing. It's going to definitely continue to boost, utility on really this entirety of crypto. And I do want to jump into really the next tweet. This one talks more about AVE USD. So decentralized applications can actually access highly secure and reliable market data on multiple blockchain networks via Chainlink price feeds. Easy integration with the AVE and USD price feed on Avalanche AVAX to create DeFi projects or products around AVE's native token. So if you guys didn't take a look at AVE today, AVE is absolutely booming, I believe. If we take a look down here at the very bottom, AVAX or Avalanche is up 11.12%, up to $48.47. With the help, obviously, of this integrations, we're going to continue to see a lot of people take advantage of AVAX. If we jump onto the very last tweet, it's going to be DeFi protocol Phemex Labs has integrated Chainlink price feeds on Arbitrum mainnet to access high-quality tamper-proof price oracles for establishing fair market exchange rates when minting, swapping, redeeming, and liquidating assets on the platform. So a ton of integrations and partnerships. If we actually take a look at the ecosystem of Chainlink, which we've done before, over 700, almost 800 projects in the Chainlink ecosystem, and it's continuing to grow, over 300 plus in just 2021 altogether as that continues to grow as well. So it's ramping up. We're going to continue to see people really understand how undervalued Chainlink is. And that brings me to this article that we're going to talk about before we jump into those price predictions for the end of the year and the end of the bull market part 2. So here we see Chainlink undervalued and underhyped, and I still agree with this. This was actually posted August 31st, but it's such a great article talking about Chainlink and its fundamental long-term growth of the cyber economy, and has really the most potential to eventually flip Bitcoin. Chainlink is also, kind of becoming the global standard for data distribution and accessibility. This also applies to both blockchains and private enterprises. More so than Ethereum, Chainlink is the glue that allows the entire crypto economy to function. Eventually, Chainlink may tether the global economy. So they talk about what is Chainlink, and they kind of go into detail, and then they talk about Chainlink's growth. We're not going to jump too much into it, but do understand hybrid smart contracts in the 2.0 white paper. Chainlink's development team, identified a new term known as that hybrid smart contracts. So we're going to see, hopefully, those hybrid smart contracts do very big things with that 2.0. Just a lot of excitement around Chainlink. Obviously, like I said, a ton of projects jumping on board every single day as the economy, or really the ecosystem of Chainlink, continues to grow. We're going to continue to see just really more utility and more necessity, I guess, for Chainlink. If you guys don't know, by the way, Chainlink, if you like I said, don't know, Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. Without Chainlink, a lot of these projects would be close to nothing. And I do want to kind of reiterate how important I believe Chainlink is going to be in the future of this crypto space. But looking at this current price point of $31.19, only having a $14 billion market cap, I think there's a lot of opportunity for growth here. And if we actually take a look at the next year, realistically, I always try to give you guys the most conservative price prediction I can. Chainlink's one that's hard to do so because I believe such, high, big things about it. I think by the end of the year, we're seeing about anywhere from, honestly, anywhere from $120 to $200. By the end of the bull market part 2, I think we could even see $200 to $400. So we'll keep you guys up to date, obviously, through the whole thing, giving you guys updates on the price, as well as obviously updates regarding news and hype surrounding, obviously, this, hybrid smart contracts that we just talked about. Just so much, big things to talk about when it comes to Chainlink, and I'm excited for the future of it. And like I said, we'll keep you up to date through it all. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I also want to say, guys, if you have not already, take a look at my Patreon. I do have a Patreon down in the description below. I told everybody just this morning that I will not be running ads most likely for the entirety of September. During this bull market run, I will probably be staying away from YouTube AdSense altogether, trying to give you guys the benefit and just really take this information in all in one go. So definitely, if you want to support me, patreon.com down below /CryptoProfitYT, and you can actually take advantage and see low market cap picks, market, really market updates, market hype surrounding, and just pre-sales, ICOs, IDOs. I help you with all of it. So make sure to, like I said, check that out. Thanks again. I'll see you all in the next one.